In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a watermark in your Google Docs. So if you click on the insert menu, you won't be able to find it. I'll just show you how you can find it here. But just in case you don't find any function, you can easily go to help menu and click on search the menus. Write watermark and there you get it. Click on this and basically you can insert any kind of image or a text as a watermark. So let's say that you want to insert a company logo, you can do that. You can insert any kind of text. Let's say I want to write not for sale and it will be inserted right away. And if you scroll down, you have different formatting options that you can choose to adjust your watermark. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, however you like, and you can increase or decrease the transparency of that watermark. You also have the option to show it in a horizontal or diagonal way, however you like. And you can even place it behind the text or in front of the text, but usually it's behind the text. And you can hit done to fix that watermark and you can see that it is all over the document. Now let's see the real area from the menu, how you can find the watermark easily. Just go to the insert menu and here you will find this in the page elements. Go to the page elements. This is also shown as updated. Go to watermark and here is your watermark section. You can insert a new watermark or you can remove the watermark from the bottom. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.